Best deals.
1. Bathroom shelf. Simply choose a smooth surface such as tiles, glass, metal. Apply it, then press and flat the magic sticker pad. Squeeze the air out from middle to edge. Shower caddy is made up of stainless steel frame and durable plastic base. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Shower caddy. Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall-mounted accessories in bathroom, kitchens and elsewhere in the home, with no damage to your walls. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Bathroom shelf. Racks comes with magic sticker adhesive strip that provides a load-bearing capacity of up to 5 kg, makes it adequate for storing regular essentials yet quite compact to fit in any space, ideal for kitchen, bathrooms. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Shelf. Made up of high-grade aluminum frame. A sleek edge around the shelf is designed specifically to prevent any falls from the shelf. This bathroom storage rack has high load-bearing capacity and holds up to 5 kg. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Corner shelf. Keep your kitchen or bathroom organized and clean. Compact yet have sufficient capacity for holding shampoo, conditioner, kitchen spice bottle to meet your different demands. Ideal for kitchen, bathrooms, guest bathrooms and powder rooms. Steel body makes it rust-proof and durable. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Soap holder. Durable stainless steel soap stand is perfectly sized for your favorite hard bar of soap in the shower, bath, or beside your sink. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Towel holder. Simply choose a smooth surface such as tiles, glass, metal to install your Magic Sticker series kitchen and bathroom accessories. Installation tip is clean and dry the surface of application before putting the magic sticker. Press and flat the magic sticker pad, squeeze the air out from middle to edge. Fit the shelf on the hooks given on magic sticker and you are done. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Shelf. Suitable for installation on tiles, glass, mirrors, laminates, marble, metal or any other smooth surface. Organize almost all of your bathroom accessories like shampoo, shower gel, lotion, facial mask and other toiletries. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Towel rod. Waterproof and high load-bearing capacity. Once installed on any smooth and flat surface, the product can easily take a load of up to 5 kg. Also, it has no adverse effect of even continuous running water over it. It's strong and durable that lasts long after many years of use. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Bathroom shelf with towel holder. Made up solid durable chrome metal and has high load-bearing capacity and holds up to 5 kg with powerful adhesion system. Shelf is the perfect way to storage large bottles of shampoo, conditioner, makeup in your bathroom. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Organizer. Perfect for shower areas or to use near your sink. Soap holder partition is also provided. Drip tray helps drain excess water. Works perfectly on any smooth and flat surface like tiles, sunmica, glass. Perfect way to storage large bottles of shampoo, conditioner, makeup in your bathroom without sacrificing your storage space, and also in the kitchen to store sauce bottles, spices, condiments jar. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Shower caddy. A sleek edge around the shelf is designed specifically to prevent any falls from the shelf. This bathroom storage rack has high load-bearing capacity. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Toilet paper holder. Perfect size that fits even in congested space. Additional provision has been provided to keep your mobile phone on it. Press and flat the magic sticker pad, squeeze the air out from middle to edge. Fit the toilet paper holder on the hooks given. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Mop holder. Innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall-mounted accessories in bathroom, kitchens and elsewhere in the home, with no damage to your walls. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Mop holder. Foldable and extremely sturdy hooks with unique hook edge design, easy to hang on, no slip or fall off. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Basket. Makes it perfect for kitchen storage or as a vegetable basket for kitchen use, enhancing your kitchen organizer rack, perfect for storing all essentials. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Towel holder. Made of durable and sturdy metal. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Corner shelf. Vacuum suction corner shelves are specifically designed to make the most of unused corner space in bathrooms and kitchens, allowing you to maximize storage without taking up valuable floor or wall space. Can use them to store toiletries, spices, cooking utensils, or decorative items, keeping your space organized and clutter-free. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Paper holder. Keeps your toilet paper from getting wet and also avoid bacteria breeding due to moisture or dust. High load bearing capacity. Holder comes with strong self-adhesive magic sticker. It's strong and durable that lasts long after many years of use. It's attractive and sturdy, ensure longevity, crafted from strong material. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Shower caddy. Built-in hooks for hanging razors, sponges, loofahs, back scrubbers, and other bath items. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Shower caddy. Made using superior grade, highly durable materials, a combination of heavy-duty ABS and PVC, being easy to clean. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Organizer. Shower rack won't damage your wall by holding it securely in place with a strong, traceless adhesive, eliminating the need for drilling with tools. Each shower organizer can hold up to 22 pounds. Rust resistant and durable for years of use. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Corner organizer. Made of aluminum material, hard and durable, no rust, no fading and no deformation. You can use the rust-proof corner shower shelf for years. Thickened design can promise to hold more weight, up to 40 pounds. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Shelf. Have strong adhesive stickers that protects against water and provides extra strength and durability. They have high load bearing capacity and can hold up to 5 kilograms of product load because of its powerful adhesive system. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Bathroom shelves. Detachable design makes it easy to remove and clean. The shelf is especially designed to ensure that it does not lean forward when loaded. Perfect caddy for organizing your kitchen and bathroom essentials. Easy to install. Product link is given in the 25th link. Thanks for watching.